Welcome guys, in this video we're going to talk about SEO, how to get the traffic on your post, how to rank high that your post of your website, niche website for long tail keywords, for low competition keywords, and I'm going to give you the strategy how you're going to do it. Just follow along and just see what you're going to do. Definitely you're going to follow up this one and you're going to rank any post easily how I'm going to tell you. So first, I'm gonna go to the site called Moz.com. Moz is like a brand name in the SEO world. If you know about little SEO, they are telling, they have the researchers, they have all the people, they are showing all the new factors all the time, what is working on, what's not working on SEO, because a lot of people are testing, reporting to Moz, and Moz have also their own people who are doing research very quickly what is changing in the Google. So SEO don't have any rules. Google don't show any rules. It's all myths. It's all experience of the different people, what is working, what's not. And that's why it's really high skilled or difficult skill all over the net, and not everybody can do it. I suggest you just stick what I'm telling you. Don't go so much deep or sidetrack with the other things in this way. So just go to the Moz and let's see what is on-site SEO. On-site SEO is the practice of optimizing elements on a website as opposed to links elsewhere on the internet and other external signals, collectively known as off-site SEO. That means you're going to optimize your site or post according to the Google. So Google will rank your site, rank your post higher, because if Google will not be able to understand or crawl your site, it's very difficult for Google to rank your site there. So this is what we're gonna do here. There are so many factors in on-page optimization. First is the on-page rank factors are these ones. So first is the content of the page. So what is the content of the page? I'm telling you, the post, you should gonna make it around the keyword. What you are gonna choose, there are so many keywords you're gonna make, like the long tail keywords, the keywords have the long competition, the low competition. I showed you in the niche site video, what I'm going to show you here as well. And then once you make the content around a low competition keyword, you're going to post that post with the optimizing rules, and then you will see that site gonna index in the Google. Good content supply a demand. Supplies a demand. That means that the content should be super good. I mean, you can't not copy it, or you not just give anything to the readers. They are the humans, and if it's not for their use, your site not gonna go anywhere. So no matter what, how pretty your site is, how big your site is, nobody cares about it. Now the other thing is, good content is linkable. What does it mean? So just see that element of an optimized page is uniquely valuable metadata, multi-device ready, keyword targeting, built to be shared, phenomenal UX, and bot accessible. So first, unique value. Unique means your content should be unique. I mean, what I mean by that, Google can understand your if your article or your content is copied by somebody else, they're gonna slap your site, they're gonna seize your site. Nothing will happen, and I'm telling you, this is very dangerous for any site. So you should not ever copy somebody else content. You always hire the writers, and I'm gonna tell you how to do the writers in a bit. And then metadata, I'm gonna go in there. Metadata, link description, title tag, meta description, alt text, duplicate content. You can come to moz.com, learn SEO on page factors. You can come here and understand that. So in this video, we're gonna go on title tag, meta description, alt tag. First, I'm gonna tell you, giving you the real quick idea. Title tag is the title of the post. Meta description is the description of the post, like a Yoast SEO area where you're gonna describe about the page, what is it all about. Alt text is the is the name of your pictures, the text of your pictures inside, what Google can read what is this picture all about. Duplicate content, it should not be duplicated. Robot.txt is the file that actually telling the Google what to read, what not to read, and I will tell you how to do that. And robot meta directives, what should be in the robot.txt or not. It's actually for our project, we should keep it like as a default. We don't need it to discourage search engine or telling them this is what you have to read or not. We are not going for that route. So it should be it should be like by default robot.txt file, nothing else. So these are the ones who I already introduced you these ones, and I'm gonna go in a bit in the post and telling you actually how practically you could see that. First, I'm gonna go to keyword Google Keyword Planner. I told you in the niche video how you can come here. So once you are here, you can add your basic keyword where you want to do the keto diet, and I'm gonna get the results. So for instance, I'm here in the keto diet. I'm gonna look for the low competition. Carb manager, no it's not. Keto fruit, no it's not. Low Reddit keto, not exactly. Diet doctor keto, low. We are looking for this kind of low competition right now. Keto cheese, check for keto, low keto friendly. And there are these ones. These are very good ones. This is very good one. Okay, I already did the research already, and with that one, what I found out, the keto exercises are the best one for that. So here in the post, I already made a post with keto exercise plan, and this is not the original post, it's just the random, I get it from somewhere, and I'm gonna go there in this post. So first, what we are talking about is the title. On side, the title tag. The title is keto exercise plan is this one. Then we are saying title tag. Title tags are the keywords. What are the keywords? It should be actually in the bottom, but we are not doing it right now. It is not for us the keywords. What are the keywords? So for this, I will always suggest you don't go like 4 or 5 keywords, just one keyword per post with the low competition or the long tail keywords with one keyword per post. Even 500 words are fine for you. For the content is fine. And then the meta description. So what is meta description? Here we are in the Yoast SEO. If you remember, we already did that Yoast SEO. So first, if we will go add a snip, this is our major keyword phrase. Here the slug means the permalink. This one is the permalink, which is post, same like a keyword. And then here is the meta description. What a meta description. What, and just remember that you should have the main keyword in the meta description here always. And once you've done that, it's gonna show you something here related to analysis. Why that this SEO is this one giving me green? There are 3 topics. Everything is green right now. There are 3 things. What if I will fix it is going to be green, which should be green for ranking on the Google. So what are those things Yoast telling me to do is key phrase in the introduction. So if you would go here, if you see in the introduction, I would say if you are just starting keto diet plan, and I will say update. So that key phrase actually goes into the update. You see that it's changed into the still you can do it, but if it's green, this is green, you are good to go. You are good to actually there are so many other factors. I'm going to talk a little bit more. All text is the text for the images. If you are putting the images in your post, the data, for instance, if I will come here in this block, I will add insert image, and I will say media library, and this image, this image. Okay, this is the image. For instance, this is the image I want in the post. I'm not gonna add it in the post, but just to tell you how to do the meta tag. So once you are here and you are in this image, you will see that it have all text here, and for all text you always have to put the main keyword: keto diet plan update. And if you go down, you see that it's key phrase in subheading. There should be. So this is how I'm gonna just delete it right now, but this is for just telling you what is this all text. Duplicate content should not be duplicated. Robot txt I'm gonna tell you in a bit. And you always, once you start this one, you should always add with the subheading. So I will say heading. I just want to make it heading, and once I will make it heading, you could see that it could be heading, it could be subheading. Just do the H2. It could be subheading, and just make it update. And if you could see, guys, this is like green, everything is okay. So this is like, so for the robot.txt you have to know how to add the robot.txt and how to change it. But robot.txt is also already the part of our website, so you don't need to touch it. For this site, you just make it leave it as by default, so you don't need it. It's on your cPanel file manager, and if you go in public admin there, you would find that file there. Now we're gonna go to the things inside. You don't gonna touch it. Schema.org, you're not gonna touch it because you are not a local website like a restaurant or something local based. You are just going global. Page speed, I already made a video about page speed. HTTP, you're not gonna touch any of these. Domain URLs, everything I talk more about it. So this is pretty much all about on-page optimization, and I tell you how to do it in a real life example, and how could you just update it. And once you go here, once you just update all those things. So once you do that, the next step is you're gonna come to the Google Search Console, and once you are here, you can add your domain here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Just do it like that. It's gonna verify our website. You see that, and it's gonna say download this file and put it here in the back server of this site, and then Google will connect this site with the Google Search Console. And once it will be with the Google Search Console, you can submit your sitemap. There will be, you don't need to make the sitemap. There will be the option, and then you can submit the link of this post. This is the link. If you go here, this is the link of this post. You're gonna just submit all the time the link of that post to the Google, so it will index there. This is on-page optimization for this site. You don't need much more than that, and I think I pretty much cover more than the value of it. So if you want to know more about it, you can read out the SEO books, but I don't think you need more about it because this is actually you want for this kind of site. So now this is pretty much all into the on-page optimization. Now we are going forward for off-page optimization. Once you will have that, just copy this URL and put it in some notes, and I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Thank you.